Can India compete with China in manufacturing? India's manufacturing sector is gaining momentum and is poised to compete with China. Let's compare the two manufacturing powerhouses. China currently holds the title of the world's manufacturing powerhouse, accounting for 25% of global manufacturing output and 30% of manufactured goods exported. This is the result of years of investment and efforts by the Chinese government to attract companies. China has become the preferred choice for many companies, including car manufacturers. Indian factories are now catching up and making their mark. They currently contribute 5% to global manufacturing output and 18% to the world's manufactured goods exports. In fact, India has surpassed the USA to become the world's second-largest manufacturing destination. In 2022, out of the 60 manufacturing companies that left China, the majority chose India as their new base. There are several reasons why companies are shifting away from China. One major factor is the rising labor costs in China, with the average Chinese citizen earning $17,000 per year. In contrast, the average Indian earns $8,550 annually, making India an attractive option for cost-effective manufacturing. Additionally, India boasts the second-largest workforce in the world, with over 550 million people. Another advantage for India is its alliance with the West, where many of these companies originate. Being an ally, companies feel more comfortable investing in India and helping it develop. This further strengthens India's manufacturing potential. If the current trend continues, India is projected to surpass Japan as the world's third-largest manufacturing hub by 2025. By 2028, India is expected to overtake the USA in manufacturing output. By 2030, India aims to become the second-largest exporter of manufactured goods globally. While India is still on its path to becoming a manufacturing powerhouse, it is clear that it can compete with China in the manufacturing market. For now, the focus is on surpassing Japan, but the future holds great potential for India's manufacturing sector.